Hey everybody, it's Courtney from Dandelion Branding. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking all about the Bloom Your Brand course session 2. And this course session is called Building Your Brand Website. And it's not only about building a brand website, it's also about building the digital structure around your business. So by the end of this course session, you will have a fully functioning website, as well as the digital structure to really support it, and the additional pieces that are really going to allow for you to build a fully branded website, customized and perfect for your brand to start driving traffic and start marketing. This course session is designed to be a step-by-step walkthrough of creating an online business. And so we're going to walk you through the process of creating your website. And we are going to focus on WordPress for this course session. We feel that WordPress is by far the best option for folks who are just getting started up, or folks who may have a larger business as well. This platform is something that is really scalable in a way that others aren't. So though there might be other platforms out there that are quite a bit more simple to use, you can use it right out of the box, something like Wix or Squarespace. Those are very simple options, but they don't allow for a whole lot of customization. And we want to help you to build a business and a brand website that is something that's truly scalable and that will grow with you as your business grows. We know that your business is not always going to be small, so why start small? And because we are teaching this process in a step-by-step way, it's going to be something that's definitely not going to be overwhelming. We really designed this course to truly simplify this process that seems very overwhelming. I think it's easy to sort of get lost in the details when you are trying to build your online presence, which is why we really wanted this to be a super detailed, really dense course session that you can utilize as you are building your website. So this course session is not theoretical. This is actionable step-by-step process to get your website built. And if you follow that process, by the end of the course session, you are going to have a customized, beautiful website for your brand, as well as an email platform. And last but not least, there's a bonus module that will get you started on how you can begin marketing your website. So it's a very in-depth course session. And because of that, we've actually split it into 2 different versions, because we know that our audience is not just e-commerce brands or not just service providers. We have a variety of folks in our digital community that want this education. So we decided to split it up. So if you're a service provider, then we have one specific course version for you. And then if you are interested in selling products, then we have an e-commerce version for you. And both of these are on the WordPress platform, but the e-com side of things really dives into the WooCommerce plugin, how that works, more about products, about shipping and things like that. It's truly a introduction to e-commerce course. And then the services, it's a little bit more simple because you're not dealing with any sort of tangible goods, but still incredibly valuable if you are a service provider. So we wanted to cover those 2 different paths that you might be on when creating an online business, because we know that both of those are equally valuable. So we really wanted to be able to have something that could fit for everyone. So the modules of the course really cover everything that you'll need to know in creating your website. And that means, starting from scratch. This is buying a domain name, starting with a new server and a site to host, starting up your WordPress, what plugins we highly recommend that we've vetted over the years and have found to be the most effective, most affordable options for you. Not only that, but we'll walk you through even how to infuse your branding into your site, and even some of the third parties and the external pieces that you'll need to integrate into your website to have a fully functioning online business. So it is a very exciting, very robust course session. So if you are overwhelmed by the idea of creating the digital side of your business, then this course session is definitely for you. So because this is the second session of our larger Bloom Your Brand course, there are some prerequisites that you'll need before jumping into this session. So it's important that you start session 2 with a solid understanding of your brand's identity. And if you don't yet know that and you haven't decided on your brand's name, logo, colors, voice, vision, all of those good things, then we definitely encourage you to check out the Bloom Your Brand course session 1, which is all about making those brand decisions. But if you have those all in place, then you're in good shape. And basically you'll be utilizing all of those incredible decisions that you've made already about your brand and just translating them to the digital space of your new WordPress website. We are really going to be helping you every step of the way on how to incorporate those things into your website. So if you are having any difficulties, or if the process of building a website is just way overwhelming, we feel you. The technical sides of running an online business is a lot. There's an online business is entirely technical. So there are definitely some things that we know are challenging for folks out there. So if you're just starting out and you want to build a website for your brand, this course session is for you. This is going to allow for you to jump into it having nothing. By the end of it, you will have a fully functioning website. You'll be able to drive traffic there, you'll be able to start marketing your store, and you'll be able to really start gaining some momentum and getting some buzz and excitement around your brand. So having a website is something that we always recommend to any business. It is something that truly legitimizes your business. It allows for you to have one space that is the digital face of your business and something that you are in complete control over. That's not social media or some other platform that may house your products. This is something that is owned by you, that is fully representative of who you and your brand are. It will absolutely allow your business to grow further. So if you need a website for your business, check out this course session. I will have a link in the description below, and we can't wait to see you in there. Very, very exciting step and moment that you're in with your business, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to send us an email, info@dandelionbranding. Give this video a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel if you like marketing or online business tips and tricks. That is what we're all about here at Dandelion Branding. So definitely give us a subscribe. We would really appreciate it. And we will see you next time for more tips, more goodies, more fun digital stuff. All right, we'll talk to you next time. Thanks so much for watching.